Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhisani. Hope you are doing great. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. As you already know that the Pondicherry counseling for the NEET PG 2023 as well as for the NEET MDS 2023 already started. The official notice is already out, right? So moreover, there is one more new feature on my channel this year, that is the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. You can join that group and you can see all the official notice as well as the previous year analysis and everything about it, right? Drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. You can follow me there as a sweet gesture and then you can ask for the link. Definitely there is the registration fee. You can register yourself, register your details so that I came to know about you, right? Because there are lakhs and crores of people are here which are connected on YouTube. So definitely I'll get to know by registration only. And after that you get one-to-one in touch with me. Now moreover, there is one very sweet question coming from your side, and today I received that question that ma'am, you mostly post the videos regarding the South India, not the North India, not the North Indian states. See, there is nothing like that as such. Don't feel like that. It's just as compared to North India, we have more number of colleges in South India. Moreover, there are more and more queries from the South Indian students. And the third thing is, don't worry about it. If you are connected to me on my YouTube channel, definitely I will be trying to cover each and every state if possible for me. Thanks to my team who are working day and night behind this. But still, we all are trying to cover it before the counseling start, right? Now, another question from your side is, when will be the All India Quota counseling start, that too for NEET MDS 2023 counseling? See, if you search this question on Google, it will say 15th of June of 2023. That means after 15th June, right? And if you ask me personally, then I will say after 15th July 2023. There are many people and many other counseling group which says the last week of the July or the first week of the August of 2023. So these all are just the tentative date and assumptions, right? So my only thing is you need to keep your eye on the official website, stay connected with whomever you trust and you want. Please stay connected, and that's why I released the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling so that you can know what's going on in the counseling, right? And don't panic, because Pondicherry, every year Pondicherry used to release before the counseling start, no matter it is NEET PG 2023 or the NEET MDS 2023. Now today's video is also very important for you, because it is one of the most requested video from your side again, and second thing is, it is beneficial for you only if you are a NEET MDS 2023 aspirant. Because today in this video I am gonna cover the fees as well as the previous year cutoff, that means the NEET MDS 2022 cutoff in Andhra Pradesh, open state, right? So opportunity is there for you. So according to the cutoff, we came to know that at which rank this college in this state is getting the seats full last year. So with the previous year analysis, we came and get some idea कि इस रैंक पे अगर लास्ट ईयर क्लोज हुई थी तो डेफिनेटली इसके आसपास अगर मेरी रैंक है लेट्स से 2000 3000, राइट? सो मैं भी इसी कॉलेज के आसपास कहीं मेरी भी आएगी रैंक. सो अगर मैं इस स्टेट में अप्लाई करूं तो मुझे मेरी ड्रीम ब्रांच मिल सकती है. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट, request that you can take pen and paper and at least listen to this video carefully. Now begin with the Andhra Pradesh. See, this video is totally dedicated to AP, that is Andhra Pradesh, right? And don't forget, I'll come forward to the UP also in future. But don't get panicky. I'm only focusing on the South Indian students or the South Indian states. No, nothing like that. So don't feel like that, right? So begin with the first private college, that is of the Andhra Pradesh, and that is the CKS Teja Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. This college was established in the year 1919 and 2000. There is one government hospital attached to this college, that is the SVRR Government and General Hospital. University is usually affiliated to the Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada. If we talk about the MDS seats and the MDS fees, so for the clinical branches it is 8,91,000 per year per PG seat in this college. Whatever the fees I am telling you right now, these are the previous year fee structure, and we have one notice that the different states will gonna increase their fees. So please, fees might be a tentative, but it will give you some range. Ki at least you will get this year fees minimum above or minimum up to 8.91 lakhs in Andhra Pradesh in private college, right? So you can get some idea about it, right? इससे मिनिमम तो फीस कहीं मिलेगी भी नहीं आपको आंध्र प्रदेश में, या तो बढ़ेगी या लास्ट ईयर की जितने ही रहेगी. तो ये एक आपको आइडिया दे सकता है दैट किस रेंज पे, किस ब्रांच में, किस कॉलेज में यू विल गेट द सीट एंड इन विच स्टेट. Now if we talk about the MDS seat in this college, which is the private college of Andhra Pradesh, so there are 6 seats for MDS prosthodontics, 6 seats for MDS endodontics, 6 seats for MDS orthodontics, and 2 seats for MDS periodontology, 3 seats for oral pathology, 3 seats for OMR, that is oral medicine and radiology, 3 seats for pedodontics, and 3 seats for oral surgery. Talk about that cutoff of this Teja college, which is the private college of Andhra Pradesh. So which branch has which cutoff? This is the last year cutoff, that is the NEET MDS 2022 cutoff. Please don't get confused, this is the last year cutoff. Andhra Pradesh NEET MDS last round rank cutoff, that to all India SC category. MDS in periodontics will have the cutoff last year, that is 7,046. If we talk about the Andhra Pradesh last round all India rank for OBC, that too in MDS in prosthodontics, so its rank is 3,549. MDS in oral surgery, again OBC all India quota, last rank is 3,929. MDS is in endodontics, again OBC all India quota in AP will got the last rank, that is 1,477. Moreover, the Andhra Pradesh Journal category all India cutoff, that means the last rank, that too in MDS in prosthodontics is the rank 2,590. MDS in oral medicine journal category all India cutoff is 1,814. MDS in OS and that too journal category, the in all India quota counseling, that is the 4,135. MDS in endodontics, the last rank in journal category, that is the 692. MDS in pedodontics, the last rank is 3,272. MDS in orthodontics, the last rank is 2,642. In private college of Andhra Pradesh is the Geetam Dental College and Hospital, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. This college was established in the year 2001 and 2002. It has a hospital attached with it, that is the Seven Hills Hospital. If we talk about the MDS fees here, so the fees is nearly about 4.9 lakhs per annum per PG seats. I'm gonna tell the cutoffs of all the MDS seats, that too in this college of Visakhapatnam. First, the Prosto MDS, the cutoff is 2,856. MDS Endodontics, the cutoff is 1,357. Now the cutoff in MDS Periodontics is the 4,301. MDS Oral Surgery, the cutoff is 1,544. MDS Orthodontics, the cutoff is 2,536. MDS in Pedodontics, the cutoff is the 1,658. MDS in OMR, that with the cutoff, that is the 5,356. MDS in Oral Pathology with the cutoff of 1,786. If we talk about the MDS seats in this college of Visakhapatnam, then the 5 MDS seats per department is available in Prosto, Endo, Perio, Ortho, Pedo. 3 seats are available in MDS Oral Surgery, in MDS OMR, and in MDS Oral Pathology. Now, if I'm gonna talk about the third private college of Andhra Pradesh, that is the Vishnu Dental College, Bhimavaram. The establishing year of this college is the 2002 and 2003. The hospital attached to this college is the Bhimavaram Hospital, and the fees for the MDS course is 6 lakhs per annum per PG seat. Now let's see the cutoff of the MDS seat in this colleges, that is the NEET MDS 2022 All India Quota Counseling cutoffs, right? So first with the MDS Prosthodontics, the cutoff here in this college is 689. Second in MDS Endodontics, the cutoff is 789. Third is the MDS Orthodontics, the cutoff is 2173. Fourth, the MDS Pedodontics, the cutoff in this college is the 2861. Next, the cutoff in MDS Periodontics, the cutoff is 5742. MDS in Oral Pathology with the cutoff of 772. Now, if we talk about the MDS seat in this college, then there are 6 seats per PG department, that too in Prosto, Endo, Ortho and Pedo. Followed by the 2 seats are there in Oral Surgery, and there is 5 seats are there in OP, OMR and in Periodontics in this college. About the fourth private dental college of Andhra Pradesh, that is the GSL Dental College and Hospital, Andhra Pradesh. This college is established in the year 2013 and 2014. Hospital attached with this college is the GSL Medical College and General Hospital. If we talk about the fees of MDS course in this college, that is the 8.9 lakhs per annum per PG seat. Now let's see the number of MDS seats available in this college. So seats in Oral Pathology, the 2 seats are available. MDS seats in Orthodontics, the 3 seats are available. MDS seats in Endodontics, Prosthodontics, Pedodontics and Oral Surgery all are having 3 seats. Followed by MDS in Oral Surgery also has 3 seats. MDS in Periodontics has 2 seats. MDS in OMR has 2 seats there in this college, that is the GSL Dental College of AP. Now if we talk about the cutoff of GSL Dental College, that is the previous year analysis cutoff. So if we see the All India Quota Counseling cutoff of the category, that is SC, then the cutoff is MDS in Periodontics, the cutoff is 8,711. MDS in Prosthodontics, the cutoff is 5,767. MDS in Oral Pathology, the cutoff is 10,387. MDS in Oral Surgery, the cutoff is 3,700. last year cutoff of All India Quota Counseling, that too the OBC rank, and that too in this particular college, that is the GSL Dental College of Andhra Pradesh. Then the MDS in Conservative Dentistry, or we can say MDS in Endo, will have the cutoff, that is 1633. MDS in Pedo will have the cutoff, that is 6575. Now if we talk about the All India Quota Counseling NEET MDS 2022 Journal Category cutoff, which is coming under this college, then MDS in Prosthodontics, the cutoff is 2582. MDS in Oral Pathology, the Journal Category cutoff is 5549. MDS in Orthodontics, the cutoff is 901. That too of Journal Category of All India Quota Counseling. Right, that too previous year analysis, that is the NEET MDS 2022. Next private college of Andhra Pradesh, that is the KLR's Lenora Institute of Dental Sciences, Andhra Pradesh. It is established in the year 2008 and 2009. The hospital attached with the Government General Hospital is attached to this college. If we talk about the fees of the MDS course in this college, and that too for all the clinical branches, that is the 8.91 lakh. That means 8,91,000 per annum per PG seat. About the MDS seat in this college, then there are 5 seats per department per MDS seat. That too in 5 seats in orthodontics, 5 seats in endodontics, 5 seats in pedodontics, 5 prosthodontics, and 3 seats in oral pathology. Now this college has a special feature, that this college also provides the PG diploma course, that too having in dentistry, and that too having the different types of seats. That is the ortho has 1 seat, endo has 2 seats, prostho has 1 seat, pedo has 2 seats, and oral pathology has 3 seats. So the PG diploma course is also available in this college of Andhra Pradesh. Talk about the cutoff of this Lenora Dental College of Andhra Pradesh, that too last year analysis. Then the cutoff of All India Quota Counseling SC category, that too in this college of Andhra Pradesh is SC category. The cutoff is MDS in Endodontics, the last rank is 7528. MDS in Pedodontics will have the last rank, that too a last year cutoff, and that too All India SC category, that is the 7988. Followed by the All India Quota Counseling OBC last rank, that too come in this college, that is in the MDS in Public Health Dentistry with the rank of 8979, and MDS in Pedodontics will have the last rank, that too OBC category, that is the 6702. MDS in Prosthodontics, the last rank being the All India Quota Counseling ST category, and these all are cutoffs are the last year cutoffs, that means NEET MDS 2022. So the MDS in Prosthodontics with the category, that is the 7424. Followed by the All India Quota Counseling cutoff for this college, and that too for the journal category is MDS in Oral Pathology. The last cutoff rank is 14,010. PG Diploma, that too in Pedodontics with the last rank, that is 14,383. MDS in OMR with the last rank journal category All India Quota Counseling NEET MDS 2023, that comes in this college, that is the private college of Andhra Pradesh with the last rank, that is the 12,368. Now the MDS in Public Health Dentistry with the last rank of 6,317. Followed by the MDS in Prosthodontics, the last rank is the 2,405. MDS in Periodontology, the last rank is 6,935. MDS in Endodontics, the last rank is 1,732. MDS in Pedodontics, the last rank is 4,611. MDS in Orthodontics, that too journal category, and last year analysis with the last rank, that cost, that is 3,586. Out the first part of the private colleges with their fees and the cutoff, that too of Andhra Pradesh. Many more videos are coming in such a manner, and that too most of the states. So don't forget to watch this video till the end and make a note of this. Now, what is the importance of telling you the cutoff? Because the cutoff will give you an idea. Suppose let's say my rank is 2000, right? And the cutoff of branch, and the cutoff in a particular branch, and that too in a particular college of Andhra Pradesh. Let's say we come across the analysis and we have seen that mostly the MDS endo seats over by the last rank, that is nearly about 1730, 32, 35 or something. So if I am a 2000 ranker as a NEET MDS aspirant, so I can get an idea that at which rank I can get the MDS endo and MDS prostho or MDS ortho, right? And in which particular college. So college wise I am telling you the cutoff, and that to the previous year analysis. I think it is the great work. इससे ज़्यादा spoon feeding तो कहीं भी नहीं होगी, right? So I hope you like this concept and you like the effort as well as you like this video. Then hit the like button. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.